Hey y'all, this is Vanity. So I'm coming to you with a full review on this hair. Also, I'm going to be talking about a sale and showing you how to style this beautiful hair that I got from Peerless Extensions. So stay tuned if you want to see all of that in this video. So this hair is from Peerless Extensions. I have worked with them in the past, I think twice. I reviewed their hair as well as brought to you a sale that they had last year, and it was like a 6-month update as well. So Peerless Extensions has amazing raw hair, and this hair is no different. This is the Southeast Asian straight hair, and I have in 3 bundles of 24 inches and an 18-inch matching lace closure. And this is a wig unit that I created out of that hair, and I have been absolutely loving it. I've been wearing it in the natural state, so in this video I'm just going to show you how I create these curls, and yeah, stay tuned. So before I begin, I just wanted to show you what the hair looks like flat ironed. Honestly, it still looks like this in its natural state. This hair doesn't have like any natural waves or anything, but I did flat iron it, and these are the ends of the hair. Very, very healthy and nice. Okay, so let's get into this curling iron tutorial. I want to put some waves in this hair, like some beachy waves, so I am going to comb it out at the end. But I'm using this curling iron that I got from a company by the name of High Beauty Concepts. I did a review on this curling iron on this exact same company's hair 6 months to a year ago. I think it was like May or something like that. But yeah, this curling iron is everything. The hair doesn't get caught in this curling iron. It creates very nice uniform curls, and I'm speeding through because, you know, I'm basically doing the same exact thing over and over. I'm curling away from my face, and as you can see, the hair is going straight through this curling iron like nothing. No hair is getting tangled. This hair is so freaking beautiful. Okay, and again, I have in 3 bundles of 24 inches with a matching lace closure in 18 inches. And I am flat ironing on the highest heat setting, and I think it's like 430 or so. Okay, so I'm basically gonna keep curling away from my face, not doing anything different, and I'm taking about medium chunks of hair. I didn't add any type of oil to this hair because the luster on this hair is pretty high already, so it's like it already has like a healthy luster, so I wouldn't recommend adding too many products. You don't want to weigh the hair down. Okay, so this is going to be the final curl that I do, and then we are going to go through and start styling the hair. So I kept it pretty simple. I just started with finger combing, and then I decided to take this brush. It's called the wet brush, and I use this one is for blow drying, and I just basically brush through the hair. And look how beautiful those curls look. It is just so freaking pretty. And these are my end results. Just beautiful beachy waves. So I cannot stop brushing my hair and running my fingers through it because I've never had raw hair that actually came out looking the way that this one does. It is just so flawless. Like I can't even explain to you. Just look at the ends and how healthy this hair looks. The luster, there's no tangling, like none. This hair is just flawless. So as far as a shampoo, I've been shampooing my hair using the Tresemme Cleanse and Replenish 2-in-1 shampoo, and to condition I've been using the Herbal Essences Deep Moisture Hello Hydration Conditioner. And if I need to add just the tiniest, because honestly this hair is great with no product, especially because it already has like a luster that is way more healthy, so you don't need to be adding in a whole bunch of oil, because then you're gonna not only weigh the hair down, you're gonna create tangling, and it's going to be oily and too shiny. So I would just recommend, if you're gonna use this, you use the lightest little bit of this, okay? A small little drop, and that is it. But this is the Design Essentials Silk Essentials oil. I didn't use it today because I feel like the luster is fine, the hair is fine, there's no tangling, I'm not having any issues, so I didn't use it because I didn't want to boost the luster because it's already high. So yeah, I think this hair is absolutely just flawless, and you can just see, you can see the quality of this hair. So I don't have any tangling, I don't have hardly any shedding. Like, I literally have not noticed not one strand since I got the hair. But you know, of course, all hair sheds, so I'm pretty sure there's like very, very minimal shedding, because there's nothing that I'm noticing whatsoever. There is no matting, so I don't have any negative things to tell you about this hair. But I am going to tell you about a sale they are going to have for Black Friday. I just wanted to include everything in this video so that you can see and, you know, just have time to get your money up, okay? So Peerless Extensions will be having a Black Friday sale where everything on their site is on sale. I'm specifically going to be telling you about the sale on the bundle deals on this hair, which is the C straight hair Black Friday bundle deal. So a 14, 16, 18 bundle deal will only run you $255. A 16, 18, and 20 bundle deal will only run you $260. A 18, 20, and 22 bundle deal will only run you $280. And a 20, 22, and 24-inch bundle deal will only run you $300. I think that these prices are absolutely amazing, especially because it is raw hair and it is great quality. This is high quality hair, okay? If you have never had raw hair, you need to know that each bundle comes from one specific donor. The hair is the highest quality hair you are going to get because it comes from one donor. You're going to be able to do absolutely anything you want with the hair because it was never processed in any way, okay? So you can wash the hair, you can blow dry the hair, you can straighten the hair, you can curl the hair, you can perm the hair, you can color the hair, you can do whatever you want to the hair. It is literally raw. And 3 bundles would definitely suffice. I only have 3 bundles in my hair right now, and I had no issues creating my unit. The wefts were not too thick, it was just right. They have great wefting. This company is just very professional, and I would definitely recommend it. That's why I tell y'all about when they have sales, and I try to keep y'all up to date with the hair when I get it. So I would definitely recommend this company, and I'm gonna have the links to it down in the bottom bar. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.